Yo boy Sample Juice, and we are back for a mega pack in a rare mega pack. What's better? Let's find out. All right, not bad. Not bad. My boy Jonas, the fifth Jonas brother. Boom. Let's get you out of here. Nothing special. Let's get you out of here, Salavio. And last but not least, or least but not least, bam, the rare mega pack. 30 rares. I don't know where, but. Oh, okay. Oh. Boom. 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 And I keep on getting the same damn people, man. Goodness gracious. There you go. There you go. Alright. Yeah, he's very domesticated. I got him twice already. You know what? I'm not gonna complain. This is a decent pack. Okay. We'll take it. We'll take it. Boom. Alright, you guys. I hope you guys have better luck. It's your boy Sample Juice. Keep it juicy.